Wo guys nizwile ukuthi ke uNobuntu ke uzoshada ke noNdlovu. Angazi ngibona bebabaza nje bethi hayi boNdlovu pho yene guys umvelase ukhethe ke uNdlovu ukuthi ke abe umnyeni kaNobuntu. Bathi ke uMaMzobe ke uzozama ulungisa relationship yakhe noNobuntu ngokuthi ke acele lo zobehlola intombi ukuthi ke amkhiphe phambili njengomuntu ke oseyintombi into uNobuntu. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on UMKHOKHA from the 22nd to the 26th of January 2024 on Monday. While the Temples try to navigate their involvement in the taxi violence saga, the comedians are putting their duck in a row to guide Nobuntu's life on Tuesday. Nobuntu lets go of the past in favor of the future. Has Kulegani beaten more than he can chew on Wednesday? After seeking counsel from trusted prophetess, Nobuntu agrees to make a life-altering decision on Thursday. The comedians are pleasant surprised when Nobuntu makes an announcement that will change her life. MaMzobe offers to help Nobuntu by paying off the virginity tester to pass her on Friday. Virginity testing recalled Nobuntu. Kulegani decided that praying for the sick at the hospital is part of his main calling. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.